If you are interested in how add event to your calendar on your OnePlus 12, today I will show how to do it. Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Firstly, swipe out the screen and go to the calendar application. There we can change view to be easily to add, and now we must tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 22 of February. In it we press this plus icon, event, and now we can add title of our event. We can add event to calendar of our family members or our group on Gmail. There we can set when event start and finish, or we can set it will be also all day by switch on. Repeat of our event maybe every week, every year. There we can add people to event, video conference, location of our event, what you want and need. There we can add notification maybe 1 week before at 9 o'clock, and we can add another notification. We can change color which we can see in our calendar, maybe for red one, and add description and attachment. After we add all we need, we press save, and that's all. We have it in our calendar right now. See you soon. Bye.